Welcome to Toppers family to another tutorial video, and today I would like to show you how I curve my brims of my 59Fifty fitted hats. But before we begin, I highly appreciate that you're watching that video, and not everybody who is watching our videos has subscribed to our YouTube channel. I would highly appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. This helps us a lot, and of course more people will see those helpful tutorials. Alright, so let's go. So you maybe have already seen, if you have a 59Fifty out of the box, when you get it, it has a flat brim, right? Some of you guys love flat brims, and some of you guys want to have a curved visor like me. So that's super easy. What we need for that is, you don't need that, to be honest, but I would highly recommend a steamer. This costs approximately $25, 25 euros, something like that. You can get something like that on Amazon. It's super easy, and if you curve a lot of hats like me, this is absolutely worth it. So first things first, before we start, I recommend to remove the stickers, and it's always depending on which hat you are curving. For example, this is a classic hat made of cotton or maybe made of poly, so you just need to remove the stickers before you curve it, okay? So I remove the first sticker, then I remove stickers that are on the bottom. Okay, so then normally I switch on my steamer. I wait a little bit because it's getting more heavier after a certain time to steam. So let's do it like this. And then I start from the bottom, up and down. As you can see, I approximately do this side by side, like, yeah, let's say 15 seconds. And when you do the other side, you will feel after a certain time that the brim is getting super soft. And what I'm showing now is only possible, or you should only do it if you have a cotton or a polyester hat, so that you steam it from both sides. So I want to make sure. I go on the other side again a little bit. All right, and now the brim is super soft. And what I usually do is I grab and wait until my fingers touch on here, and then I start to curve it, and then I keep holding it. So you have to be a little bit aware, so do it not until the brim is cracking, right? This is very important. But as you can see here, it's now super extreme, right? I'm not using something like a glass or something to do it because, yeah, probably I've done it so many times that I already know what I'm doing. And then you have to wait a little bit, like 20, 25, maybe 30 seconds, and you can already feel that the brim is getting harder now. So this looks a little bit weird because it's a super heavy curve, right? I'm just adjusting it a little bit like this, and then probably waiting another few seconds because this is getting now harder. You can feel it, that the brim is getting harder. And now I try it on my head, and as you can see, this curve is really perfect. And now if you have some pressure points here, you can still make something like this until it fits perfectly for you. And I can feel that this hat is now fitting really perfect for me. So this is an absolute perfect curve, right? So some more things that I would like to tell you. If you have something like special materials like velvet, or for example like a satin brim, I recommend not to steam it from above, just steam it from the UV side, okay? Because you don't want to damage that material or something like that. Sometimes it's not damaging the material, but if there is a water drop or something like that on the brim with the heat, this can cause trouble. So just double the time and steam it from the UV. So just from the bottom, right? This works great, and then you have a perfect curve brim. So if you have any questions, so please put your questions down below into the comments, and also let me know if you prefer to have a flat brim or a curved brim. I really would like to know that. Thank you very much for tuning in, and yes, we would highly appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. There will be much more content in the future.